In the dynamic world of aerospace, where innovation and precision are critical, the digital thread has emerged as the transformative force. At the heart of aerospace manufacturing lies a complex web of procedures and processes and data. The digital thread connects every stage of the production lifecycle, seamlessly integrating your design, engineering, production and maintenance (MRO). By leveraging digital technologies, the digital thread enables your departments and team silos into real-time collaboration and information exchanges. This fosters innovation and accelerates the development of cutting-edge aircraft and spacecraft. Now, one of the key benefits of the digital thread is the creation of digital twins. These virtual replicas of physical assets enable engineers to simulate and analyze various scenarios. Optimization, performance, reducing risk, and enhancing safety. And during the operational phase, the digital thread empowers your maintenance and MRO teams with real-time access to critical data. By monitoring the health of components and systems, predictive maintenance becomes real, minimizing your downtime and improving your efficiencies. And also, it goes beyond the boundaries of not just your own organization. It integrates with the entire aerospace supply chain, allowing seamless coordination and visibility, leading to optimized logistics, reduced costs, and improved quality control. The digital thread revolutionizes aerospace by connecting people, processes, data throughout the entire product lifecycle. Its true power lies in enabling collaboration, driving innovation, optimization, operations, and enhancing safety. It will play a pivotal role in shaping the future of aerospace. Join me on the digital thread journey toward a more connected and efficient aerospace industry.